let's unbox something cool. Maybe a $10 keyboard. This is a single-handed gaming keyboard. It's from BUGHA. We unboxed stuff before from this brand. And let's just jump into it. The last keyboard I unboxed, it was a little plastic, kind of had a lot of flex to it. It was a membrane keyboard. And overall, for $10 though, you couldn't really complain with that keyboard. So that keyboard is a full-size keyboard. I'll link it in the description below in case that's something you want to see. So let's go ahead and open this one up. This is what you get. It's pretty good packaging, I guess. We get instructions, and we get don't get frustrated when you make mistakes, learn from them. A nice little card. Box. Throw it to the side. This is the keyboard. It's got a plastic wrist rest here. Be cool if it wasn't, but what do you expect? It's got all your keys that you would need. It's a membrane though, listen. Yeah, the keys don't feel satisfying. You probably could game on it, but I don't know how responsive or how good of a gaming feel it would give you. I would have to use it some and then give you another review video on it. But this is $10. If you're looking for maybe, your kid wants to try a one-handed gaming keyboard out, or you want to try one out, just see if it's something you would use, then for $10, I could see you trying it out. As for the quality of it, I don't think it's going to be too enjoyable, but if you like how this performs, a good quality one of these would, be worth the cash. If you enjoy this style, after you use it, try it out for $10, and then you can invest in a nicer keyboard. So let's go plug it in. It's supposed to have RGB. We shall see. So this is a nice little keyboard here. That's I can compare sizes to, but this is a Skytech gaming PC. You can get it with a lot of pre-builts. You can actually buy this keyboard online too. This keyboard is a mechanical keyboard. It's very nice. It's very good quality, and it's heavy too, so it don't scoot around. This video isn't about that keyboard. This video is about this keyboard. The BUGHA. I think that's how you say the name. So you can see it's basically just a quarter of a keyboard. Let's move this over out of the way. So the keyboard is basically all the keys you need, because E usually picks up stuff. R is pretty much put bullets and ammunition into stuff. If you play a lot of first-person shooters, you got your numbers here. It's usually switching weapons and stuff. Escape, your flip button is one, then crouch and jump. Yeah, it's got all the buttons you would need for a first-person shooter and most PC games. Now, if you're a MMO player, then you might need a different keyboard with lots of keys you can map. And the RGB is not changeable. Go figure. For the price, $10, but it still looks nice on a desk. The flex of this, plastic, but you can't complain again for $10. Do you use one of these? If you do, let me know in the comment section. If you use a better quality one, let me know what you think about it. Also, you can get these at Five Below for $10. Online, that's a bit higher, but in stores, they're around $10. So thank you for watching this review, and I'll see you next time. Drop a like.